Okay, and we're back.
We are about to make
We're about to make the stuffing.
the stuffing for the turkey.
Yeah, we got.
And the company is not sponsoring us either. It's not sponsoring this video. We're about to read the directions. Okay.
Yeah.
It says what it says over there. How much butter?
Well, which one? Oh, which one? 1/4 cup butter. And 1 cup water.
And how many of these are? Over here, let me see. Oh, one. Oh,
You do that. I get
cup
the
butter.
measurements.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. 1 cup. Oh, okay. 2 sticks equals 1 cup. 2 sticks. Oh. 4 sticks equals 2 cups. Oh, 2 sticks equals 1 cup. Two of these. Okay. You also get another one, right?
This is our butter.
Yes.
Our amazing butter. We're not sponsored by them.
Yes.
They're amazing.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. They were stuck together, so I kind of fell in the box.
Yes. By the way, we go for the cheapest stuff we can find.
Yeah. So we can try and save money.
That's why it's called Great Value, but they're not sponsoring this. But they're not sponsoring this video.
Yeah. I wish Great Value was sponsoring this video.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. All right. Yes.
That would be amazing.
Let me see. Yes. 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 So we got. Yeah, it will be amazing. Yes. We got 2 sticks equals 1 cup. Yeah. How much it says we need for this?
2 cups.
2 cups? Okay. No.
I mean 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup of butter.
1/4. Oh. Okay. So we don't need a whole cup then. Yeah, so we need a half of them then. Of that. Let me see.
Well,
Yes.
1/4 of it.
A fourth of it. Yes. 1 cup. 2 sticks. So that means 1 stick is half cup.
Yeah.
1 stick is half cup. A half of it is 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup. Okay. So we're still fine. Hey, see, we're learning. We're learning. This is a raw video. This is a raw video. It's not edited. We're not memorizing the lines.
No, they don't do
We're
that.
doing as we go.
Yeah.
And
Let's get in this. I don't know.
and with all the mistakes that should be on a video.
It's a plastic butter knife, I'm pretty sure.
Yes, it is. But if it does the job, it does the job, right?
I mean, it
Yes.
kind of does
And
the job.
we're gonna
Microwave it for
yes.
how many minutes, Dad?
Okay. Still cover like promise. Flip with fork and serve. Microwave directions combine. A cup of water and a half or microwave bowl. Butter cover. Half cup butter cover. Microwave. Okay. Drain the water. Drain water and butter to boil in a medium pan. Oh, this and then this goes inside the pan. We're gonna boil this.
Oh, and then we're
Butter.
gonna add the water and then add this.
Yes, we're gonna boil water with
Makes sense.
yes. We're gonna boil water with this is our pan.
This is our trusty dusty pan. It's amazing.
Boil water with the butter.
I thought we were using this butter.
Oh, it doesn't matter. It's a half is a half.
Okay.
Yeah. You wanna use it or use this one? We use this one because we had already used that one, and my dad already had it on her hand ready to pour in.
Yeah.
So we use that one. It's okay. That means that we're doing something together. Okay. And then we get 1 cup of water. We get 1 cup of water.
1 cup of water. Yeah, can you do the honors and bring the camera over here?
No, right here. Bring your cup of water.
Oh.
Over here, please. Please. Yeah, there we go.
I practiced so many times with the Oreos water.
Yes,
I'm a ninja at this.
I see. Okay, so we got 1 cup of water. We're gonna boil this together.
I'm gonna boil
We're
it.
gonna boil it together. And my daughter's gonna take it right to the stove to get boiled.
And I am pretty sure you guys are coming with me.
Right there on the stove to get boiled.
What do I put it to?
Just number 6. It's okay. Mm-hmm.
There we
Yeah.
go.
You could put a cover on it if you want, like to. Just a little
that's
lid.
fine.
No? Okay. All right. We'll bring it to boil. Okay. It's right there. It'll take about 3 seconds or 3 minutes. In the meantime, we got something else to do over here. Eggs.
Okay.
Come on, come here. Okay. We get a towel now or whatever.
The white part is filled
Yes.
and thick.
Yes. Okay.
Are wiping our measurements.
Yes.
There we go.